Dear students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss very short question of Unit 4. So we are starting our question. First question. Give the direction in which induced current flows in a wire loop when the magnet moves toward the loop as shown. This is loop and magnet is moving toward the loop. North pole. So what happened? The loop which is facing the North Pole, behaving like a North Pole, according to Lenz's law, is opposes because the North Pole is coming toward that. So it is North Pole, and North Pole direction of current is what? Anti-clockwise. So the direction of current is anti-clockwise. In which direction the current flow? That is anti-clockwise. Solution 2. This is first. A coil of metallic wire is placed at rest in a non-uniform magnetic field. Does any EMF induced in the coil? So the magnetic field is non-uniform. But it is not mentioned that is varying magnetic field is there. We can take it non-uniform magnetic field, but it is not changing at every place. At one particular place it is fixed. So there is no EMF induced in the coil. No. Because there is no change in the magnetic flux. No change in magnetic flux. If it is varying non-uniform magnetic field, then EMF changes, then induced EMF produced. Next question. Why the core of the transformer is laminated? So the transformer is formed by taking a coil of soft iron and doing the after pasting the varnish, another coil is put on it. This varnish acts as an insulator. It breaks the path of the eddy current. Which current? Eddy current. It breaks the path of the eddy current. So the core of the transformer is laminated to reduce eddy current effect. Eddy current effect को क्या करना है? Reduce करना है. It is possible to make a pure inductor. Inductor is basically a coil of, क्या कहते हैं? Inductor is basically a coil of conducting wire of zero resistance. Again listen. Inductor is basically a coil of conducting wire of zero resistance. Is it possible that कि कोई conducting wire उसका resistance ना हो? इसलिए no. It is impossible that to make a pure inductor because inductor जो है वो किससे बना? Coil से. Coil किससे बनी है? Conducting wire से. Conducting wire having some resistance. So no. Why is induced EMF known as back EMF? So what is induced EMF? It opposes the cause due to which it arises. It is begin. So it opposes, na? So we also call it back EMF. Define the impedance of an AC circuit. The effective opposition offered by an AC circuit in the flow of current is known as impedance. What is this? This is effective opposition offered by an AC circuit to the flow of current. How we represent it? By Z. What is the unit of its? Ohm. Same as. What is the frequency of the direct current? Question 6th. Right? Question 7th. What is the frequency of direct current? Frequency of direct current is 0. Because magnitude is not changing with the time. What is the phase relationship between the current and voltage in an inductor in the circuit? Sir, in inductor, we are talking about inductor. In inductor, the phase difference is pi by 2. Means voltage V leads I by pi by 2. Same question, if it is a capacitor, for capacitor we take it. Question is not mentioned here. For capacitor, the same phase difference is pi by 2, but here I leads V by pi by 2. Thank you very much.